Hello friends, welcome to ProCoders. Today we are going to show you QR scanner Ionic. I'm going to create one blank Ionic project. Choose Angular here. It will create a blank project in QR scanner demo folder. Now open QR scanner demo in Visual Studio Code, or you can use any editor you prefer. To use QR scanner in Ionic project, you have to include QR scanner plugin. For that, we are going to use Ionic documentation. Search for QR scanner for Ionic and you will get the Ionic documentation for QR scanner. Now copy the first command. In Visual Studio Code, open your terminal in View. Now paste the command. Once its execution done, copy another command and paste it and let it execute. Once the both command execution done, the plugin will be added successfully and you can use it in your project. You have to wait for a while to plugin get added. It is done. Now open app modulus.ts. We have to add the class here for QR scanner. So import the QR scanner ngx plugin and its class QR scanner status, and we have to include provider for QR scanner. So here we are going to write QR scanner for provider. Now we are ready to move forward for project. I have created one function here. Now go to the plugin documentation and copy the code, paste it here in function. Let me arrange it properly. Okay, now I'm going to call this function in constructor. So here I'm going to call this. Here we done. Once the scanner will scan the value, we are going to show it in a toast. So we are going to create one function here. Let's create function present toast. We are going to pass parameter here named text. To create a toast, we have to write const and variable is equal await and the toast controller dot create with method. We are going to pass two parameters here. First would be the message in which the text would be passed, and the second would be the duration, till what time the toast will be present, and we are going to present the toaster now. Object dot present. Here we done with present toast. Once camera will be opened to scan the QR code, the screen should be transparent. Default it would be white because of Ion app background. So we are going to create two functions to manage that on hide and show camera scanning. So first function would be this show camera. In the same way we are going to create another function hide camera. To make the screen transparent and back to with white background, we are going to write some code here. So here we have code. We have to get element by tag name Ion app and we have to make its property display none. The same way for hide camera, on hide camera we have to display the block and it will show background with white. This way we can show hide the. We are going to show and use hide and show function. So we are going to hide camera here after scanning, and the show camera function here before scanning. We have to show the QR scanner first. So here we go with QR scanner dot show. Once the QR scanning done, we need to present the toast with the scanned text. So I am going to present toast here with the scanned text. So your scanned text here with the text parameter. This way you can show the scanned text. I am going to remove unnecessary code and assign the backscanner class. Here we have written its CSS and global as CSS. So we have done here. Now we need to create a build for it to see the working functionality. I'm going to create a build of Android and check it in device. So here we have done. We have generated one testing QR code. Open the application. It will first show the transparent and you can scan the code and you can see the toast here with the text testing. So it is working with show camera and hide camera functionality. Now we are going to change the text and do it again. Open the app. Okay. You can see the transparent view, scan the code, and you can see the text to text in present toast. So this way we can use QR scanner functionality